We're here at Warrnambool Airport to mark the commencement of the Aerial Gravity Survey of the Otway Basin. This is an important project as part of the Victorian Gas Program. You can see the plane behind me, which will be carrying the gravity survey instrument.
So the Airborne Gravity Survey will be collecting information along lines, about 31,000 line kilometres of information, and this is approximately going to take between 12 and 16 weeks to collect. We'll be measuring the density of the rocks of the Otway Basin, and that will be a key input into the geological model that we're building in 3 dimensions, and that will give us an ultimate insight into the potential gas resources for this area.
Everybody's familiar with the idea that gravity is what holds you on the ground, but most people aren't really aware of the fact that it varies from place to place. And it varies because of the density of the rocks. And so the gravity system that we have in our aircraft is designed and built to measure those very, very small changes in gravity from place to place.
The Otway Basin has been selected for this survey because, quite frankly, we know less about it than the Gippsland Basin. And so, like the Gippsland Basin, the Otway Basin has the characteristics which suggest that there should be gas within it. And in fact, we know that there is some because some is being produced already from around the Port Campbell area.
In May 2018, we released 5 offshore exploration blocks to industry, and part of this data that we'll be collecting will be given to them as pre-competitive data to help them discover commercial quantities of gas.
Industry and community engagement is a really important part of this program. In fact, we put equal weight to that alongside the scientific evidence that we're producing. The government has banned fracking, and there will be no changes to the fracking laws as a result of this work. This work is looking at conventional gas, and we're only looking at where conventional gas exists and answering the question of the risks, benefits and impacts of delivering that gas.
Authorised by Victorian Government, 1 Treasury Place, Melbourne.